The U.S. has been battered by drought and flash drought this summer, and many western states are experiencing the worst drought in over 1,000 years. Once green lawns are now dry and brown. Farmers are struggling to water crops and feed their cattle. The widespread drought is also lowering water levels in Lake Mead. This lake is a huge reservoir that's about 20 miles east of Las Vegas. It's formed by the Hoover Dam and has experienced record low levels throughout 2022. It provides drinking water for more than 20 million people across the West. It's also a source of hydroelectric power and recreation for people in the area. But parts of the lake that were once covered by dozens of feet of water now lay bare. And that means that lakegoers are stumbling across what once used to be sunken secrets. On May 1st, visitors at a recreation area at the lake found human remains. The skeletal body was found in a corroded barrel that was stuck in the lake bed's mud. Items in that barrel suggested that the remains were sunken in the lake sometime in the 1980s. We might ask ourselves, why is that the case? But you have to remember that this lake is super close to Las Vegas, and the development of Las Vegas is tied to the mob. Once upon a time, before there was a mega drought, or before any of us knew that the West was going to experience anything like a mega drought, a huge lake was a very convenient place to hide secrets. But bodies and mob conspiracies aside, other things are rising up from the disappearing waters. Lake Mead also holds the remains of a World War II era boat. It used to be covered by several feet of water, and now most of the boat is actually visible to people who visit the lake. So we'd like to ask you, what else do you think is left to uncover at Lake Mead? Thank you so much for watching Extreme Earth. We are so sorry that we have to constantly remind you about this.